you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
From the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason.
tayo guys. Mag-overlooking po muna tayo. See? Ang lapit-lapit po ng
Malapit na kami sa Bicol.
Sabi mo nga sa iyo, Kate. Pupunta pa tayo ng Apari. Ayun po guys, oh, nakita lang namin yung daan. Eh di, sinundan lang po namin. Sabi ko, ano kayong meron dito? Ayun po, ang ganda po pala. Ang gandang place.
Ang labas namin ay...
Hi muna ikaw. Ayun po ang aking matagal ng kaibigan na Bicol. Ngayon lang po ulit kami nagkita. Nagkaayaan po kami na gumala. Ayan. Okay, kung saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Apari. Diretso na kami ng Apari.
Pa-Apari tayo. Guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda po ng view. Ano dito guys po. Bali ano lang po to. Yung daan po na parang naisip ko ano kaya meron doon. O daanan natin. Try natin. Ayan.
Palay po ito ay shortcut papuntang
Apari. Apari pala. Ayan. Ang ganda po niyan. Ayun, daan talagang pag ganyan-ganyan, no? Diba?
Po. Pero hindi naman po pupunta.
Hindi pa naman. Wala pa namang balita ang
Pero madalas po ang pag-usok. Ano po?
Oo. Nako, halos araw-araw.
Ano nga po?
Yan may kaya ganyan mo panahon diyan.
Papasigla. Minsan yung pag-ulan igawa ng ano ng
Vulkan.
vulkan.
Bali pa yung babagong data.
Kahit yung masikabo lang.
Kita natin naman kung kuha yung bahay.
Kali ko brown kali kay Julius Baba.
Ayan po ba? Ayan. Andiyan sila.
Yung ano yan, reporter?
Apo, aba. Kina Tintin Bersola. Ganda pala ng kanilang ano. Ano pong pangalan ng ano niya, nanay? Ano pong pangalan ng subdivision na to? Yan. Yan po pala.
May hard.
Ganda, ano po.
Makasinan lang po nila yan.
Hi guys, asagalaan na naman po tayo. Kasama ko si Kate. Hi ka naman sa aking vlog.
Hi!
Ayun po, gumala naman po kami ngayon. Nagkaayaan lang. Hindi nga daw po siya nakakarating dito. First time daw sa kanya. Ito kanyang tanang buhay.
Pakita mo si yung Blake.
Blake po si Blake. Hi po kay nanay. Hi nanay. Si Blake. Lemery po. Sa may bayan pa po kayo?
Hindi na kami sa may makalampas ng Fantasy.
Ay, kaya po sa Lemery pa rin po pala. Layo nyo naman nanay. Ang iba ina doon po sa may Fantasy.
Kadami lang.
Bahay pala yan ni Julius Babaw, no? Yung kulay brown daw ang bubong. Ayos, no? Rest house nila, parang rest house. Galagala na naman tayo guys. Ito na naman po tayo. Sinding gala. Ito, may sakyan tayo. Ayan, marating. Gala-gala muna tayo guys. Ito na naman tayo. Ayan po si Kay.
Tayo sa Baguio.
Huwag ka mo na mag-face mask. Ayun. Tayo lang nandito. Yan. Para makita ang iyong kaganda.
Oo. Tayo sa Baguio na
Galang shoutout nga po pala sa aking kaibigan dyan. Aking pong dating co-worker sa Amcor. Hi Amcor yan.
At ang biyaheng si Mona Lynn.
Yan.
Napapanood mo.
Tambay-tambay po muna tayo dito guys. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda po ng view niya. It's a nice view. Nice viewing here. See, ayun po guys, nakita nyo, pasin nyo po yung bahay na yun. Bahay po yun ni Julius Babaw. Binalita ko na. Ayun guys. Ganda-ganda po dito. Bali sa ano po to. Part na po to ng Lemery, Batangas. Lemery po tatay na po. Lemery, Batangas. Si tatay nga po pala, napakasipag. Nag-vlog ka na. Nag-vlog. Hari-hari!
Ayan yung iyahan mo.
Hari bulog yung ako meron mga for upload. Wow! What a view. What a relaxing place. See guys, abot kamay na natin. Abot tanaw, abot kamay. Napakaganda po ng view dito. Alam mo naman po tayo, adventurous. Kaya yun po. Ang ganda-ganda. Place na dito. Ay, sigsag road. Ayun po guys, ang ganda-ganda. Sigsag road. Dito po tayo. Pagod na tayo kasi nga po alam niyo na, driver po tayo. Maghapon na po tayong gumala.
Haggard na.
Hindi naman, magaganda pa rin. Bakit? Kahit Thank you for watching. Thank you po. Salamat nanay. God bless po.